Hey everybody, so I found something out today about this SkyController that I did not know. I'm actually on the phone right now with Parrot Bebop support, clearing something up. So I can't wait to share this with you guys because it's another thing that I was not aware of, and I think it's going to make a huge difference for people like me that have the SkyController. Oops, that have the SkyController, right? There's a big key point here that I'm clearing up with Parrot that I'm pretty sure a lot of you are not going to know. So let's stay tuned. I'll let you know what they were able to confirm with me here. I'm on hold. And I'm going to go fly it out and show you what I learned from this, all right? Come on. I love the Parrot Bebop tool. I've had it for 7 months. I think it's unbelievable for the price. $4.99 these days if you can find it. I have the SkyController and I've used the FPV as well, but today I learned something very important, and I'm actually going to go fly right now and test it out. So apparently this whole time, and I've flown with the FPV and with the SkyController only, but apparently this whole time I've been doing it wrong. So even though I've been able to control the drone with a joystick and everything there, the way I was connecting everything might have made it so that I wasn't getting the full range of the SkyController, and that just blows my mind. So this is what this video is about. I'm going to show you the proper way to set this up. I'm going to do a flight first just to make sure that this is all correct, but I hope you guys find this, I ate some Chipotle the other day. Hope you guys find this useful. I think you will. All right, so let's see the flight first, and then I'll talk about the proper setup so that you're getting the full range of the SkyController. All right, so after having an issue with my Bebop, it turns out that you don't need to have the Wi-Fi on your device enabled, and you can just rely on the SkyController. So it looks like all these other flights that I'm using the SkyController, I might not have been taking advantage of the range. So I'm gonna see how that changes today. I should be getting about 5 times the range from what I was using, and I already thought it was pretty cool before that. So I'm going to do a similar flight to the one with the train that I posted a couple weeks ago. If you haven't seen that, that one's pretty cool too. You can see how you can track some trains, and then I met it with my drone, I guess. So I'm going to take off from a similar spot, but we'll see if the SkyController works, and then I'm going to show you guys how I've linked it together the proper way. Alright, so I'm going to try to show the proper way to pair the SkyController with the Bebop 2. First, we're going to turn on the SkyController. And I'm sorry, I don't know why this video is so grainy. I'm shooting with an iPad, and it's horrible. So turn on the SkyController first, and then we're going to connect it to the device. It should automatically launch. Or not. It just does whatever the hell it wants usually. Well, you know what? I didn't connect it over here, so excuse my cynicism. Alright, so there it launched. Now we're going to turn the Bebop on. So notice I have airplane mode enabled. So it should turn green here once they're connected. Sometimes it can take a couple moments. Green. That's perfect. That's what we want. It's airplane mode. And there you just have to wait for there it is, double green, and that's GPS lock, even though the phone is in airplane mode and Wi-Fi is off. And you can't see anything on the drone because I haven't taken the camera off, which I will do now. And there you can see that it's good to go. So this is the proper way to use your SkyController. You can have the iPhone in airplane mode, no Wi-Fi, and you should get that green light and you're pretty much ready to go. So this is very important. I didn't know this. I was using the Wi-Fi in conjunction, and you don't need to do that. So this was what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you found it useful, found it helpful. Punch that like button for me, hit subscribe, check my other videos, and once again, thank you for watching.